Today I'll be reviewing and showing the features of the ElectriQ Low Energy Smart Dehumidifier CD12PRO-LE. If you find this video helpful and want to buy the product, you can support me by using the link in the description to buy it. It won't cost you anything extra. Now let's explore it. I bought this dehumidifier mainly to reduce condensation and mould in my home, as well as to dry clothes when it's wet outside. It weighs around 13 kilograms when empty and has wheels, making it easy to move around. It can extract up to 12 litres of moisture per day, which makes it suitable for a 2 to 3 bedroom house. The collected water drains into a tank located in the bottom drawer. On the top, you'll find the controls and the air outlet. On the back, you'll find the filter and the continuous drain port. Now let's explore the controls. The power icon turns the appliance on or off. The mode icon allows you to select between Smart, Purify, Dehumidify and Laundry. In Smart mode, the unit will aim for 55% humidity and the compressor will only run when necessary, saving energy and keeping the room at an ideal humidity level. In Purify mode, the fan runs but no water is extracted. In this mode, you can also press the UV button to enable UV, ionizer, or both for maximum purification. In Dehumidify mode, the unit removes moisture from the air. You can adjust the fan speed using the fan icon with 6 levels, with F1 as the lowest to F6 as the highest. You can also set your desired humidity level using the plus and minus buttons. And the final mode is Laundry mode. Here the unit runs at the highest fan speed with a target humidity of 35% to remove as much moisture as possible. Now I will show you the remaining buttons. The clock icon is for setting a timer. While the unit is running, press it to schedule the unit to turn off after a set number of hours. Use the plus/minus buttons to choose the time. For example, I've set it to turn off automatically after 2 hours. When the unit is off, the same button allows you to schedule when it will turn on. Press the sleep mode icon to dim all lights and run the fan at a low speed. Press it again to return it back. The swing icon. Press the swing button to enable or disable oscillation. Now the swing has stopped. Press it again to resume. Pressing and holding the same swing icon for 3 seconds will activate or deactivate the child lock. Now it's activated. Now it's deactivated. Please note that when the water tank is full, the appliance will automatically stop and display tank full. You can also control your dehumidifier remotely via the Tuya app, which is useful when you're away from home. Once you've connected the dehumidifier to the Tuya app, you will be able to do the following. Turn the unit on or off, select your mode, select the target humidity, adjust the fan speed, enable or disable UV and ionizer functions, turn oscillation on or off, enable or disable sleep mode, turn the front lamp on or off, activate or deactivate child lock. You can also tap on schedule and set a schedule to turn on or off the dehumidifier. Overall, the ElectriQ CD12PRO-LE is a great addition to any home. It helps protect against moisture and mould while also assisting with drying clothes. It's energy efficient, easy to use, and the smart app control adds convenience, especially if you're travelling and want a peace of mind that your home is protected. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video.